The truth about the Bitcoin miner game. Is it worth your time? I love crypto, especially when it's free. So when I kept seeing an ad after ad for a game called Bitcoin Miner Earn Real Crypto, I had to see if it actually works. I've been testing this Bitcoin miner out for over 3 weeks, and I'm going to show you how the application works and how you can maximize your profits on the application. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. I'm no stranger to the play and earn games. One of my favourites is Atlas Earth, where I make around $1 a day by just watching a few ads every few hours. But whenever a new application pops up claiming you can earn Bitcoin, especially when the market swings up and down, I have to give it a go. So, I did download the Bitcoin Miner Earn Real Crypto application, and I've been playing it for around 3 weeks, usually in my free time, so I spend a few minutes each day playing it, and I've earned around $5 so far. In this video, I'll walk you through how the game works, the good and the bad, and then I'm going to showcase how you can earn a few hundred Satoshis every single day for less than 5 minutes of work, with no ad watching. What is the Bitcoin Miner game? On the Bitcoin Miner, the idea is simple. You mine on the spot and you earn in-game coins. These in-game coins can then be used to buy some fake cryptocurrencies within the application. The goal of the game is to collect as many in-game coins as possible, and to do that you would have to buy new coins, upgrade your setup, and then expand into different regions. At some point in the game you will stagnate, and the only way you can overcome this is by resetting your progress. And with that you would actually get some free GPUs that multiplies your earnings so you can earn more on your next run. And that's the loop. You mine, upgrade, reset and repeat.
Mine, eat, build, repeat. Mine, eat, build, repeat.
If you do fancy giving this Bitcoin mining game a go, which I definitely do recommend, you can enter my referral code on screen right now to get 30 rubies to start you off, which isn't too bad. So now it's time to break down the 6 ways you can earn Bitcoin in the application, ranking from worst to best. Tap in Satoshis. When you're in the main game, quite often you'll see a fake crypto coin holding an upgrade, but in some cases they can hold real Satoshis. Once they appear, tap it really quickly to collect it, and that's a tiny bit of real Bitcoin added to your balance. On average, a Satoshi will appear every 1 minute and 45 seconds, and the more in-game crypto coins you own, the better chances you will have of one of these Satoshis to spawn. This is not the best way to earn, but hey, every Satoshi counts. Events. Every few days, the Bitcoin Miner game runs a themed mining event. It's the same gameplay as before, just with a new coin to mine. The aim of the event is to hit a specific in-game coin target to earn a Satoshi bonus. You can make up to 200 Satoshis per event, but I normally average around 50. And that's because it is a bit grindy, but it does give you that boost to your Satoshi balance. The daily drop. On the Bitcoin Miner, there is a daily drop that resets every 24 hours. You need to check in each day to claim it. Most of the time, the reward you get is nothing special, usually a temporary boost to the gameplay. But every few days, you will get some free Satoshis. The best thing is, if you keep your streak alive by checking in for 24 days in a row, you will instantly receive 50 Satoshis for free. The shop. Next, head to the shop every 4 hours and hunt down and tap the 3 hidden Bitcoins. Each of these hidden Bitcoins earns you 3 Satoshis, so that means you can earn 9 free Satoshis every 4 hours. Just make sure you have your glasses on, as they are hidden in random locations on the store page. It only takes a few seconds, and this is the easiest way to earn some Bitcoin in the app. Buying new coins. Buying new coins is the best repeatable way to earn some Satoshis in the application. Every 2 new coins you purchase in-game, you will earn 2 free Satoshis. The thing is, once you've unlocked multiple areas in the game, your earnings will scale up very quickly. Right now, I'm earning 50 Satoshis in under a minute by doing a 4-hour cycle. To make the most out of this earning opportunity, you need to make sure you're resetting the game to get more GPUs, and then just buy as many of these coins as you can in a small time window. I normally allocate 1 minute per reset, and then I wait 4 hours and I reset the game again. And every time you reset it, you can buy these coins again to earn some free Satoshis. And the thing is, every time you reset, you will earn more GPUs, which means you're going to be able to buy more coins next time, and you're going to complete that cycle even quicker. So you're going to earn more Satoshis at a faster pace. What's not to love? Earn Hub. The biggest earner on this Bitcoin miner is the Earn Hub. You can earn up to 500 Satoshis with a single click. Just tap on Earn Hub and choose an offer. Most of them don't even require you to download the app. Wait for the timer to complete, and then the Satoshis will be credited into your account. Sadly, there is only a finite amount of offers available, but more are being added regularly, so it's worth checking in every so often. Now for the downsides. I'm going to be honest with you guys. The ads on this application are relentless. There's more ads in this application than what Captain America saw when he woke up in Times Square in the first Avenger. The thing is, you can pay to remove these ads, but I just force close the application. I am not watching these ads. The thing is, this game is a grind, but it is manageable, and if you know what you're doing, you can easily make a few hundred Satoshis a day without watching any ads. The optimal way to play. This is the optimal way to play the game. Stick to a 4-hour cycle. You need to log in, collect the 9 free Satoshis from the shop. You then reset your game to grab your new GPUs, and you can rebuy all the crypto coins again, which is what you do, and then you log off. Then just repeat this every 4 hours. You will earn around 60 Satoshis in under a minute, or around 40 cents a day by doing this strategy. Compared to a Bitcoin faucet, this is an easy, hands-off way to make some money. There's no captures required, plus since you're doing this so quickly, there will be no ads to be viewed on this game. The thing is, this strategy means that the Bitcoin mining game is so much better than the one I was reviewing a few months back. That was a load of rubbish. Cashing out. To cash out, you'll need the 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐻 wallet. Just tap your Bitcoin balance in the game, skip the tutorial and download the 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐻 app, then create an account and log in to 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐻. After that, return to the game and connect your wallet to the game, and then just hit redeem for 250 Satoshis. It's that easy. With the method I showed in this video, you can cash out every single day, and the thing is, if the price of Bitcoin goes up, so does your balance. Final thoughts. This Bitcoin mining game isn't going to make you rich, but it's a decent little earner, and it's perfect if you've got quite a bit of downtime. I'm making around 40 cents a day by just logging into this application every 4 hours, cashing in the shop, and resetting the game and buying these coins. And the thing is, every time I reset, I'm getting more GPUs, which means I'm earning even quicker and more efficiently. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
You've been asleep, Cap, for almost 70 years.